latest thing that I scored offline. It's an S sectional with a fringe propped up in a really awkward way right now because we couldn't get it through the door. So I have Kara here and we are trying to make some really big decisions, aka what color am I gonna make this sofa? So I need your help. So these are the two that we're really debating. So this is called Everglade and this is called Fern. I did also ask Bo for his opinion. He's thinking moody, so gonna keep that in mind. After a lengthy debate on which fabric swatch to go with, I finally made my decision, and today we're headed to meet Kara and see the sofa progress so far. Oh, so good!
I've started collecting antiques and junk and old photographs probably about 10 years ago. And then I started coming across all of this amazing furniture that had great bones that was just sitting at the curb or for $4 in someone's basement. And I was like, well, I could probably figure out how to make this a little bit better. Decided to take a couple courses, and now for about the last 6 months it's my full-time job. To make cuts in the fabric so that they can go around the bars. Being able to pass through. This couch isn't so bad because there's a huge gap between the bar and what you're pulling the fabric through. Down there, there's a piece of wood right here that it has to go around. So,
Watch, you're gonna love it.
because you can't hot glue it on, which is how it was before, because you can't hot glue to velvet. The main thing most people see initially is the price. And they're like, well, I could go to IKEA and get a new Chesterfield or a new armchair for the same price and it's brand new, but the things you're buying now aren't the same quality as the furniture your parents bought. If you spend the money, a new piece from old furniture, it's gonna last you 10 times longer than the piece of IKEA.
I was obsessed. As soon as I found the sectional, I got it home and I made an Instagram post and was like, somebody help me reupholster this. And Kara was one of the first people to reach out.
I saw
Fringe
this
sisters,
post and I was like, yes, somebody wants to do fringe.
Yeah, so we are united by fringe, and I'm sure Kara and I will be working together a lot, so stay tuned for that.